Hi YouTube.
Hi, I'm Screwball Scott, a content creator for YouTube and Twitch. What is Twitch? Twitch is a platform online that is free to use where people live stream all kinds of hobby type activities for their followers and viewers. Like me, I play video games for others to watch. There are lots of things that can be streamed. I even found a channel that live streams chickens in their coop. No matter what category you explore on Twitch, there will always be live streams with small or non-existent viewers. These streams and the people presenting them are called small streamers, and usually don't have more than 10 viewers. Like me, I'm a small streamer. Look at those stats. Here's how you can help me expand my audience. Step 1. Open your browser, App Store or Google Play Store and search Twitch. TWITCH. If you're going for the mobile app option, which I would recommend, this is where you download it and open the app. Now you're going to sign up. Enter a unique username, a password, your date of birth and your email, but don't tell people what they are. And if you're under 18, make sure you get an adult's consent. Once you're in, you can set a profile picture and banner artwork, but they're not mandatory. Now you need to find content you enjoy. You can select the categories here and move on. I recommend you check out my channel as a starting point. Show your gal some support. Go to the search bar and type Screwball Scott. SCREWBALLSCOT. Look, it's me. Click my channel, then hit follow. Make sure you check and activate the notifications with the little bell icon, and that way, if you have the mobile app, it'll tell you when I'm live so you can see me, and it's just like getting a text. Join the streams. I love seeing you people, and you can use chat to talk with me.
Nah, don't.
It's your birthday soon. Mine too.
It's yours Wednesday, isn't it?
Viewer, why do you watch this nonsense?
Goats! Yeah, for being silly. Exactly.
If you want to be a viewer to support me, but you also want to use your device, you can minimise the window by just clicking your home button and you'll be good to go. That way, my stream will still be on your screen, so you'll be counted as a viewer, but you can do things like scroll on Instagram as well. With your support by following, viewing and chatting, my channel will grow so I can hopefully start earning from the platform. Once I'm an affiliate, and if you have an Amazon Prime account, you can subscribe to my channel for free and I'll earn from it. Don't worry, it'll cost you nothing. The more successful I am, the more and the better content I can produce for your entertainment. Thank you in advance for your support and even for watching this video. I hope it helps. Have a braw day. Cheerio!